Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I just finished up a railing upgrade on this deck. It turned out great. This video is going to be about how I installed the nearly invisible cable railing from a company called Muzata. I chose the Muzata cable railing because the various design options and features. The website was very easy to navigate, and the design process was second to none. Couldn't have been any simpler. Just upload simple measurements and a photo of the project, and you'll get back a professional, precise result. The project took me about a day and a half to complete. That includes the work that I had to do with the wrapping the posts. So the cable railing itself could easily be done in a single day. Based on the videos that I found on YouTube with similar installs, I anticipated it to be very straightforward, and it was in fact one of the easier projects that I've done in quite some time. As far as the install itself, it couldn't have gone any easier. Muzata really nailed it on this one. On an existing deck that had a white vinyl railing with black spindles, and it had become pitted over time and kind of just dated the deck, and the client wanted a more streamlined look and an unobstructed look, so I suggested to go with a cable railing. And the client was super happy with the results, and I was as well. It was a very straightforward project. Muzata really nailed it. It couldn't have been easier to get the design, and then based on the design, they sent all the required materials. All the tools that they sent were super high quality, and so I couldn't recommend Muzata highly enough. Super pleased with everything.